It's a soda pop from Soda Hues, and we have an open video. This is one that I supported off of Kickstarter, and there's a ton of confetti in here, which, you know, I love. It's cute. I tossed most of it, though, because when I first opened it, it got all over the floor. I don't really want confetti all over my setup, so there was a lot more in here, but I got rid of a lot. Hopefully I don't get too much everywhere again. We got kind of a 2021 calendar with some of her art. Anyway, this is, the book is Ritual by Erica Williams. Oh! Damn confetti. Very cute. I love it. It's bendy and black. I kind of wonder if it was handmade. But very lovely bookmark with this cool cord. I can dig it. I wonder if those were kind of the stretch goals. This looks like some sort of a print. Very lovely. And this sticker is even holographic. That's pretty cool. I'm not sure if you can see the full effect. Oh, wow. Again, we got soft cover laminate, but this time on kind of postcards. So it's got that moleskin feel, kind of leathery, which I have never, ever experienced on a print. That's interesting. I've never thought about that. I've only felt it on book covers. Yeah, awesome stretch goals and stuff. Came packaged pretty safely, very well done. Honestly, the confetti probably helped protect the book. So shouts out confetti, even though you are the bane of my existence at times. Got this cool sticker. Wrapped very nicely in tissue. The cover is a standard hardcover, it seems. Yeah, not feeling the soft cover laminate on the cover, but there is, I can't remember what this is called, but the actual text for the title of the book is shiny. Very nicely designed. Very indicative of the artist, I would say. Lovely end papers. Beautiful start. Beautiful title. Looks like this is art from 2014 to 2020. Oh, geez, yeah. This doesn't much look like her now, no. This seems a little more in her vein. But yeah, I love, it's kind of like a noir nouveau. Just a dark, organic, loose and mystical style that she has. Really great stuff. She's got these kind of eldritch, supernatural subjects that she chooses to do. Love the way she does kind of smoke and arrows and hair and swords. She seems to be doing better now, but she's often kind of a little grouchy and stressed out on Twitter. But, you know, the process of a book Kickstarter and also the state of the world hasn't been exactly peachy keen and ideal, so can you really blame her? She does seem quite clever on her Twitter, though. She's made me laugh a couple times. But it is often kind of dark humor stuff. I just hope she's alright. A wonderful artist. Page quality is nice. Printing quality so far is nice. Design is simple. Doesn't get in the way. Luckily we have a print, I believe, of this one. I mean, it does deserve to be laid out in all its glory, but it does suck how it was smushed a bit by the kind of crease in between. I can't remember if there's like thread used in The Secret of Nim or something, that weird cartoon. It's kind of spooky. But the way she does like that red thread makes me think of, I think it's called The Secret of Nim or something. Interesting. Seems almost like a manga or anime influence showing through in these ones. I love it though. Absolutely gorgeous. Interesting, a bison. I really like it, but I wouldn't have ever expected it from her. That's interesting. Kind of that anime manga face showing through again. Ah, she's wonderful. She's also really good at drawing kisses, which I feel like sounds easier than it really is. That's awesome. Little meow meow. Yeah, just really lovely faces in multiple styles. Yeah, her line work is just sublime, isn't it? Just the sort of symbolism of it all makes it sometimes seem even grander than otherwise. I know she loves snakes. I think she might even have a separate account just for like shit posting and posting snakes. I think she might even have pet snakes. Luckily, I think most of it, I love this one so much. I'd love to own that, but I am a poor little boy for right now. But yeah, sometimes seeing snakes too much gets me a little uncomfortable. I feel like snakes and spiders, you know, they're just OP. We're lucky that for the most part, they're smaller than us and can't use tools because just the anatomical advantages, like, it's just unsettling to me. It's hard to explain. That's lovely. Could say that about basically every piece in this book. I'm just a wonderful artist. Wow, the details in those feathers. Who does that make me think of? Albrecht Dürer? Dürer? How do you say it? Was he the lion guy? I can't remember. Oh wow. There's even some process pages to kind of explain how she goes about it. Materials. Oh, this is nice stuff to include. Nice. Oh wow. The color on that one too. Wow. The composition. Damn. Those here and gone, special thanks. The amazing friends who have encouraged me along the way, especially John Vogel, Ashley Hay, Wolf Skulljack. Pretty sure I follow Wolf Skulljack. Adam Well, Will Loyal, Ashley Izyaniki, Hannah Taylor, Andrew Thompson, and Craig Horkey. Everyone who has supported me and given me advice and aid, every single person who pledged on Kickstarter to make this book a reality, I will forever be in awe. An extra thank you to my Patreon supporters. A few of them, the book, some of her info. Another beautiful end page. Yeah. Nice spine. Nice binding. Fucking phenomenal book overall. I remember seeing that there were some trials and tribulations and, you know, setbacks in the process of this, and it seemed really stressful, and I'm sorry about that, but I think it was absolutely worth it. It's a wonderful book. I suggest, if it's at all possible for anyone else to purchase this book, go out and find it. If you don't already follow Erica Williams, just go for it. She's an amazing artist. Yeah, I love this book so much. I'm glad I supported it. Glad it arrived safe and sound, and that it was able to make it through production. Thank you to anyone who ever watches this video. Again, like and subscribe. Check out my Patreon. Maybe throw a little support my way so I can keep supporting other creatives and finding amazing stuff that's out there. Thank you, and I hope to see you again. Take care.
Yourself.